Hey there! In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log in to Optimal Work. It's a very quick and simple step. Without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. Let's tap into Google Chrome. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. And that, let's type in Optimal Work login since you are going to log in and hit enter. Now here you'll be given lots of options, but make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one that is login. And it may take a while depending on your Wi-Fi connection. And there you go, you're greeted with the login page. Now all you gotta do is fill in your information. You have to type in your email address that is associated with your account, that is Optimal account, and your password. And that's it. If you want this site to remember your information or remember you, you can simply tap in that little square box right here. It will be marked, but we're not going to that. Let's leave it like that for now. And if you have forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. There's an option that says forgot your password. Simply tap into that and it will help you through. And if you do not have an account, if you are not a member yet, you can simply sign up by tapping in that sign up option. But since we are already a member and we have already filled in that empty field, all we gotta do now is tap into that blue button that is log in, and you'll be logged into your Optimal Work account. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.